7 Money Habits Keeping You Poor and How to Fix Them. Welcome to Future Finance Hub, the place where you learn money, build wealth, and escape the 9 to 5. Many people work hard their entire lives, yet they still struggle financially. Why? Often it's not income that keeps people poor, it's habits. Today, we're going to look at 7 money habits that keep people poor and how you can fix them. Let's begin. Habit number 1. Living without a budget. Many people don't track where their money goes. They spend without a plan. Small purchases add up quickly. Coffee, subscriptions, impulse shopping. Before you realize it, your paycheck is gone. The solution is simple. Create a monthly budget. Track your income. Track your expenses. Give every dollar a job. This one habit alone can completely change your financial life. Habit number 2. Spending more than you earn. This is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. If your expenses are always higher than your income, you will always struggle financially. Many people rely on credit cards to support a lifestyle they cannot afford. Over time, debt grows, interest grows, and financial stress grows. Instead, aim to live below your means. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference. This is how wealth begins. Habit number 3. Not investing your money. Saving money is important, but saving alone will not make you wealthy. Inflation slowly reduces the value of cash. Investing allows your money to grow. Through stocks, index funds, real estate, or other assets. Even small investments made consistently can grow into large amounts over time. The key is to start early and stay consistent. Habit number 4. Impulse buying. Modern marketing is designed to make you spend money. Flash sales, limited offers, emotional advertising. All of it encourages quick decisions. But impulse buying destroys your financial progress. Before making a purchase, ask yourself one question. Do I really need this? If the answer is no, wait 24 hours before buying. Often, the urge disappears. Habit number 5. Ignoring financial education. Many people spend years in school, but they never learn how money works. They don't learn about investing. They don't learn about taxes. They don't learn about building wealth. Financial education is one of the most powerful tools you can have. Read books, watch educational videos, learn how money works. Knowledge leads to better financial decisions. Habit number 6. Relying on a single income. Depending on only one source of income is risky. If that income stops, everything stops. That's why building multiple income streams is important. Side hustles, investments, online businesses, passive income. Multiple income streams create financial security. Habit number 7. Trying to get rich quickly. Many people chase quick money, get-rich-quick schemes, risky investments, promises of instant wealth. But real wealth takes time. Consistency beats shortcuts. Focus on steady progress. Save regularly. Invest regularly. Be patient. Over time, small actions create massive results. Now imagine changing just a few of these habits. Budgeting your money. Investing consistently. Avoiding unnecessary spending. Building multiple income streams. These habits can completely change your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Future Finance Hub for more tips about money, investing, and building wealth. And remember, learn money, build wealth, escape the 9 to